8 free side hustles that can replace your main job. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, open your laptop or phone, and money starts flowing into your account without having to wait for a monthly paycheck. In today's digital era, having a side hustle is no longer just an option, it's a necessity. Technology has opened countless opportunities to earn money with little to no capital, even from the comfort of your home. A side hustle isn't just a way to earn extra income, it can also be a path to financial freedom if managed correctly. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest side hustle tips and strategies that can change your life. 1. Freelancing on digital platforms. Freelancing is becoming increasingly popular because you can work from anywhere and set your own rates. Whether you're skilled in writing, graphic design, translation, or social media management, all of these talents can be converted into money. Popular platforms for freelancers include Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Shribulancer for the Indonesian market. Getting your first client may be challenging at first, but once your reputation and portfolio are solid, clients will come to you. Imagine a content writer who initially only takes on 1 article per week. By consistently working and building positive reviews, within a few months they can earn thousands of dollars per month, exceeding a regular salary. Freelancing offers flexibility and significant earning potential, especially for those who are disciplined and continue to improve their skills. 2. Print on demand, PO'd. Print on demand is a business model where you sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters without holding inventory. You simply create designs and upload them to platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printful, which handle production and shipping. The key to success in POD is creating unique designs, following market trends, promoting through social media, and optimizing SEO on the selling platforms. The advantage is that you can focus on marketing and creativity without needing large capital. Imagine a graphic design student creating 5 t-shirt designs in one night, and within a month, one of the designs goes viral on Instagram. Passive income starts flowing in without disrupting their studies. With consistency, POD can grow into a profitable main business. Becoming an AI content creator. AI technology opens new opportunities as a content creator. You can use AI to create videos, write articles, or even produce music. Tools you can use include ChatGPT for writing content, Midjourney for illustrations and designs, Synthesia for video production, and Jasper AI for copywriting. With AI, you can produce content in hours instead of days. Imagine creating an educational YouTube channel. Your first video is finished in a day, and within a month, you have 15 videos ready to publish. Viewers start to arrive and revenue begins to flow. Combining AI with human creativity makes content more unique and engaging, increasing the chances of your channel growing rapidly. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. When a customer purchases from your store, the supplier ships directly to the buyer. Platforms you can use include Shopify, Tokopedia, Shopee, and WooCommerce. The advantage of dropshipping is low startup costs and high flexibility, but challenges include marketing and finding reliable suppliers. Imagine an office worker starting a small dropshipping store on Tokopedia with just 3 products. With market research and consistent promotion, sales increase dramatically, and the revenue from dropshipping eventually surpasses their office salary. Dropshipping offers a chance to learn online business while still working full-time, and can grow into a main business if managed properly. Additional tips. Don't be afraid to try multiple side hustles at once to see which suits your skills and interests best. Study market trends, continuously improve your skills, and leverage social media to promote your work. Consistency, innovation, and proper marketing are the keys to success. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible side hustles because it allows you to earn money without creating your own products. The concept is simple. You share affiliate links to products or services, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Shopee Affiliate, TikTok Shop Affiliate, and Lazada Affiliate. Success in affiliate marketing depends on how well you promote products and build trust with your audience. For instance, if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok account, you can create content that genuinely helps people make informed decisions. Imagine this scenario. You post a TikTok video reviewing a new gadget you've been using. Someone watches, clicks your affiliate link, and buys the product. You get paid instantly, without ever holding inventory or shipping a single item. The key to scaling affiliate marketing lies in creating content that provides real value. This could be tutorials, in-depth reviews, or comparison videos. The more your audience trusts your recommendations, the more likely they are to click and make purchases. Over time, your affiliate income can become a stable source of passive revenue. Unlike one-off gigs, this side hustle scales because you can promote multiple products across several platforms simultaneously. For example, the same review can be shared on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or a blog, reaching different audiences and multiplying your earning potential. Another important strategy is tracking performance. Most affiliate programs provide dashboards showing clicks, conversions, and revenue. Use this data to identify which products perform best and refine your content strategy. Engaging consistently with your audience through comments, live sessions, or Q&A can also strengthen trust and increase conversions. Essentially, affiliate marketing rewards those who combine creativity, consistency, and honest recommendations. 6. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is a side hustle that combines creativity with scalability. Digital products don't require physical inventory or shipping, making them easy to start with minimal upfront costs. Examples include ebooks, design templates, online courses, photography presets, or digital artwork. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Udemy, and Skillshare make it simple to reach a global audience and sell your creations repeatedly. Imagine a graphic designer creating a set of Instagram story templates. Once uploaded to Etsy, these templates can be purchased hundreds of times within weeks. Each sale generates passive income, while the designer continues working on new projects. Unlike physical products, digital goods can be sold infinitely without worrying about production or delivery logistics. This allows creators to focus on improving their products, marketing, and expanding their offerings. The demand for digital products is growing rapidly, driven by the rise of online learning, social media marketing, and content creation. To succeed, it's essential to understand your audience and provide solutions to their specific needs. For example, small business owners might need social media templates to save time on content creation, while students may look for study guides or productivity planners. Tailoring your products to a niche not only increases sales, but also builds a loyal customer base. One effective strategy is to create bundles, updates, or limited-time offers to keep your audience engaged and encourage repeat purchases. Building a community of buyers, for example, through a newsletter, social media group, or exclusive membership, can further boost sales and establish long-term relationships with your customers. Over time, a well-executed digital product strategy can grow into a full-fledged business. Success comes from combining quality products, consistent marketing, and customer engagement, which together turn creativity into sustainable income. 7. Social media management. Social media management is one of the most in-demand side hustles today because businesses rely heavily on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn to reach their audience. Many small and medium-sized businesses lack the time or expertise to manage these accounts effectively. As a social media manager, your tasks may include creating engaging content, managing follower interactions, analyzing performance metrics, and running paid advertising campaigns. Imagine a marketing student helping a local small business improve its Instagram presence. Within 3 months, the business's followers increase 5-fold, engagement rises, and sales revenue grows significantly. The student builds a reliable client base and eventually earns a full-time income through social media management services. This example demonstrates that with the right skills, social media management can become a sustainable side hustle and potentially evolve into a main business. Success in this field requires both creativity and analytical skills. You need to understand trends, algorithms, and audience behavior to create content that resonates. Regularly analyzing engagement metrics helps refine your strategy, ensuring the content performs well and attracts more clients. Over time, satisfied clients will recommend your services to others, creating a steady flow of new opportunities. This side hustle not only provides income, but also strengthens your marketing expertise and professional reputation. 8. Online consulting or coaching. Online consulting or coaching is another excellent way to monetize your expertise. If you have skills in marketing, language learning, design, productivity, or any specialized field, you can offer personalized coaching sessions that help clients achieve their goals. Platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Coach.me make it easy to connect with clients from anywhere in the world. Picture a marketing professional offering a 2-hour online consulting session once a week. Within a month, their income equals their previous full-time salary. Clients who are satisfied with the guidance often recommend the professional to others, increasing demand and creating recurring opportunities. Online consulting can provide flexible, personal, and scalable income while building your credibility and reputation in your field. To succeed as a consultant, focus on delivering real value. Provide actionable strategies, clear guidance, and follow-up support. Clients are more likely to return or refer others when they see measurable results from your advice. Over time, online consulting can grow into a highly profitable side hustle or even become your primary business. Additional tips for all side hustles. Don't hesitate to experiment with multiple side hustles simultaneously to find what fits your skills and interests best. Stay updated on market trends, continuously improve your skills, and leverage social media to promote your services. Consistency, creativity, and effective marketing are essential for long-term success. Side hustles aren't just about earning extra income. They open doors to new opportunities, help you build networks, and develop business skills that can last a lifetime. By choosing one of the 8 side hustles mentioned, freelancing, print on demand, AI content creation, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, social media management, or online consulting, and starting today, you can begin building a stable source of additional income. If pursued seriously, these side hustles have the potential to become a reliable income stream or even your main source of income within a year. Start now, don't wait, and maximize your earning potential in the digital era. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on notifications to get the latest tips, strategies, and insights for growing your side hustles and achieving financial freedom.